Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or day of choice. Today, I am sans makeup because it is too damn hot to be wearing makeup. I know, I'm in an air-conditioned room, but it's still too hot outside. I have places to go. I've got sunscreen on. I think that's all I really need to rock the day today. And I hope that you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today we've got my Ipsy Glam Bag. Ipsy Glam Bag. It's full to the rim. I don't even know what's all in here. I mean, I ordered like one add-on, but it shouldn't be. I mean, this bag is completely full. So pull that out. All right, empty. And I've got this big bag. Oh, I did not order this. It's the Refreshments razor set. It says good, clean, fun. Let's see. So here it is in a beautiful box. And it is a little crushed from being shoved into that glam bag. Looks like I should be able to pull this out. Somehow it should be coming out. Oh, it tears. That's why I couldn't pull it out. So I'm going to empty this. I didn't order this, so hopefully I'm not signed up for the Refreshments. But here is the body of the razor. I don't shave my underarms or my legs because my hair is super blonde and fine, so I don't do that. And then you just take this doohickey and you click it into the back of there, and then you've got a razor. So that's that. They always ask me if I want this, but I never want this. So, all right, let's get into the glam bag proper now. I like the little black and white strings on this bag. I'm not thrilled that they're giving us the plus bags now. I like the little ones that zip. So let's pull something out, and this is from YC Collection, Authentic Glazed Liquid Highlight in Cocoa Flakes. And that is a color that's too deep for poor old Rondi. But it's infused with hyaluronic acid for a boost of hydration and narcissus flower extract for soothing effect. This glowy highlighter is perfect for accentuating your best features, plus the addition of squalene helps keep your skin barrier strong. And this is $16 MSRP. So let's keep tally of, because for some reason they won't tell us about the BoxyCharm value, but they'll tell us about this Ipsy Glam Bag value. So I will take note of it. $16 for that. Reaching in, not looking. Now we have from Seraphine Botanicals. Look at that, it's very beautiful. This is Almond Nude Silky Nude Eyeshadow Palette in Dawn Light, and MSRP is $34. So we're already at a $50 value. And I will take it out of this box. And it is an adorable little nude palette, which would be great for anybody that likes nude. And so that's cool. Do I need it? Will this be a great little stocking stuffer or a gift for somebody? Yes. So next we have, oh Lord, this got bent to hell. From Toy Factory, a blending brush. And I can always use another blending brush. But this will probably go in a giveaway because I have lots of brushes that I don't even touch. Tons of brushes. And this says, looking for the perfect brush to blend your favorite eyeshadows to perfection. This one gets the job done fast, leaving you with pro-level eye looks to stand out wherever the day or night takes you. And this is a $16 value. So very cool. Then we have this, which is, I chose this, and it's Cutie Fruities. And this is Dew of the Gods Cutie Fruities blemish stickers. And I love blemish stickers so much. Hey, cutie, these fun and fruity stick-ons are your secret weapon against pesky pimples. Hyaluronic helps clean and neutralize your blemishes, while citric acid, vitamin C, and tea tree oil helps to calm the tone and exfoliate them. And best results wear overnight or at least for 5 hours. And this is, the full size would be 20 bucks. And this is just 18 blemish stickers. So this is a deluxe sample. So let's call this $5. Okie doke. Then we have Trust Fund Beauty Lip Brow Eyebrow Gel in Clear. And I don't use eyebrow gel. But this is a very nice size, and this is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $24. So we're going to call this $5. So I'm not going to open it because that will start the clock on it. But you know what a clear brow gel looks like, don't you? If I'm the one not showing you that and you don't know, then I don't know what to tell you. It looks like clear gel. And that is the end. I was supposed to have an add-on of a perfume and I didn't get it. I paid for an add-on. So that's disappointing. So the value is $76 for this bag, which is great for the $13, $14 price point. A lot of people can use a lot of this stuff. I'm excited that I had it today. And it was a nice thing to cheer me up on my outside my door of my apartment. So that is it. That is the glam bag for July of 2023. I got so much stuff and an unwanted razor. This has weight to it. It feels expensive. But I'm not going to, I'll pass that on to somebody else who uses that kind of stuff. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.